Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video. I haven't really seen anybody else do this. Well, probably in a different context, but I haven't seen anybody do specifically this. My flatmate has a bit of an indie style of dressing. That's his sort of fashion sense. It's more like indie sweaters, very neutral colors, that sort of thing. And today I thought I would steal some pieces from his wardrobe with his consent and style them. I just thought it would be a fun idea to try and take some pieces that I wouldn't usually go and buy myself. I like the look of on other people and see if I can turn them into something that would suit me. So without further ado, I have a lot of items here to try and style, so I'm gonna just grab them one at a time and just see what we can do with them. Okay, so this is the first item that I have here. This is just a blue, white, green sweater, but it's just a knit. I don't really have any knits in my wardrobe at all, and he does have quite a few that I've got my little pile of things to try and style today. I thought this would look really cute with light wash blue denim jeans, possibly just white shoes, or maybe chuck a bit of colour in there as well to match with the blue, and we'll see how this comes out. This is that first jumper. As I said, it is actually quite long, but because of the size of it on me, I thought I would tuck it in. So just got it tucked into these blue slimline ASOS jeans, and I think this turned out really cute. I think because of the white in it, the white matching with my white glasses and also my white trainers, I think it's actually just quite cute. Bit of colour coord for you, but then also the blue just really fits really nicely with the jeans. So this is sort of a way that you could style maybe your boyfriend's oversized knit, or maybe even your grandma's oversized knit. Like, I just think it looks really cute like this. I also just accentuated it with these light coloured earrings, and I just think it adds to the look. Like, it just looks a little bit 80s. I don't even know how to call this, but I think it looks really cute. Love this jumper. I need to get some knits like this. I have nothing like this in my wardrobe. I think this is really cute, and I think this outfit turned out great. On to the next item. Okay, so just on to the next item is this big oversized, obviously it's a men's shirt, so it's going to be oversized on me. But that's normally how I like to wear my clothes anyway. So this big oversized shirt, this is a Levi's jeans one, and it is a large. I usually, when I want to get something oversized, I go large, extra large, or even XXL. I think I've bought a shirt before that was triple XL. There is no limit to the bagginess as long as you style it right. So I'm going to see, I think I'm going to do sort of a open button moment at the top with some jeans, maybe black jeans or some stripy jeans underneath, and a bit of a Jordan 1 moment at the bottom, just to make it a little bit more streetwear, maybe with a chain and maybe a bucket hat. We'll see how we go. Let's give it a try. And here is the fit that I decided on. The stripy pants just really didn't work with this. So what I basically did is, because this is very oversized, it can make, like, it just can look a little bit boxy when it's all done up like this. So what I've done is I've popped on sort of a bra that shows off a little bit of detail in the middle, because it just makes it a little bit more fashion, sexy, you know, sort of gives it an extra element. So I've just done that with it. I also rolled the cuffs because the sleeves were super long. I added this blue bucket hat to match my Jordan 1s, but if you really wanted to make this more of like a feminine outfit, I wouldn't have the bucket hat, because it just makes it a little bit more feminine if you don't have the bucket hat on. But I think the bucket hat looks cute with the shoes. So that is the second outfit. This one's probably not as good as the first one, just because this shirt is so big. I wish it would like stay a little bit more open so that this could be like accentuated, but I still think it worked anyway. So on to the next outfit. This is the next item that I stole from his wardrobe. As you can see, it has a really cool pattern on it, very cool tones, but it has that pop of sort of orange in there as well. I think this will be more of a summery sort of vibes outfit, so let's see what I can style this with. Alrighty, so this, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of really loving. What I've done with this t-shirt is I've basically just unbuttoned it a bit like I did with the outfit before, just to accentuate this. It just adds an element to the outfit that makes it look a little bit less sort of boyish, although that's what I love. Big flowy shirt, got that little bra accentuation there. I added this hat of mine, which I absolutely adore. Look how awesome this looks. For a second, like, who wouldn't, you know? So amazing. So I just paired it with this and then those earrings from before again, just because they kind of match the cool tones of the shirt. And then the hat matches really well with these black shorts, which I've just added here, and I just put my white Air Forces on again because they sort of just go with everything. This is how this outfit has turned out. I really like it. on to the next one. So this is the next item. It's another knit. So this one has purple and sort of neutral tones, some white and some black in there as well, and it is just super cute. This one is a size medium and it's from Michael Gerald. Just has this pattern through the middle here, which is really cute, and as you can see, the pattern up here doesn't match the pattern down here, so it's this really cool kind of blend of patterns. So I think I'm going to match this with sort of that purpley tone. I want to keep with that, and we'll see how this looks. Decided to keep with the purple tones, and this is actually a dress, so this goes all the way up, and as you can see, I love this kind of layering look, and I think it looks really cute with this little necklace over the top. This is Tiffany & Co. Got these earrings in again. I just think they really match with everything, so yeah, it's just really purple tones. You can sort of like, with this kind of style, you can kind of put it up so it looks like more of a crop top, or you can pull it all the way down and just have this kind of more loose. And I just paired it with the Air Forces again, just because honestly they just go so easily with everything. Yeah, I love this. I think this is so cute. Here is the last piece. This on the front, I think this is actually an Orville Peck. Yeah, Orville Peck band tee. It's got Orville Peck down the side, but I just really liked the front of this and the colours and how it's kind of like skater style. So I think we can definitely do something with this. So let's see how we go. It's just the long sleeve tee. As you can see, it's baggy on me, but you can make baggy things work. So again, I've just got those clear earrings in. I've got these white sunnies. Like, this is just a vibe. Can't help myself. I've just paired it with these blue jeans just because of the blue tones in the top, and I've also just got my coloured Nikes on, sort of mixed. And I think this looks really cute. This is just sort of a very casual street outfit. Okie dokie, so that brings us to the end of the video. So as you can see in there, we had some knits, we had some shirts, we had a bit of a jacket in there as well. So you know, if you have a brother, a flatmate, a friend who's a guy, even your boyfriend that has items like these, you can incorporate them into your wardrobe and make them look great with some items that you might already have in your wardrobe. So I hope I gave you some ideas if that's what you were looking to do, and I hope you liked the outfits. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed already, that would be great as well. I will see you in my next video. Bye!